Hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD, and today's topic I will deal about types of artificial intelligence. No, I'm not talking about machine learning, not deep learning, it's something else. So, guys, let's start.
Like a Hellcat.
Friends, here you can see the complete chart of it. It's basically divided into two parts, that is type 1 and type 2. I will explain everything in a very thorough manner. Coming to a first category, that is type 1, it's time for narrow AI. Narrow artificial intelligence is a type of AI which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. The most common and currently available AI is ANI, that is artificial narrow intelligence in the world of AI. But it can't perform beyond its limit or limitation, as it is only trained for one specific task, hence it is also termed as weak AI. Narrow AI can fail in unpredicting way if it goes beyond its limit. Alexa, Siri are a good example of narrow AI because it operates with a limited predefined range of functions. You know that IBM Watson AI supercomputer also come under ANI as it use an expert system approach combined with machine learning and natural language processing. Some example of it are playing chess, speech recognition, or even self-driving car fall under this category. General AI is a type of intelligence which could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like a human being. The idea behind general AI is to make such a system which could be smarter and think like a human by its own. Currently, there is no such system exists which come under general AI and can perform any task as perfect as human. Worldwide, researchers are focusing on developing machine with general AI. The third one is super AI. Super artificial intelligence is a level of intelligence of a system at which machine could surpass human intelligence and can perform any task better than human with cognitive properties. It's an outcome of general AI. Such some key characteristics of super AI include the ability to think, to solve the puzzle, make judgment, etc. It's a hypothetical concept and doesn't exist now. We are basically here at a narrow AI and it takes some time to reach up to a super AI. Let's jump into a type 2 category. It's further classified into four parts, that is reactive machine learning, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. What is reactive machine learning? Reactive machines are a most basic type of AI. Such AI doesn't store memory or past experience for future actions. These machines only focus on current scenarios and react in a possible manner like Google AlphaGo, for example. The second one is limited memory. They can store past experience or some data for a short period of time. They can store data for a limited time period only, like for example self-driving car. Now come the most interesting part of AI, that is theory of mind. This AI should understand the human emotions and people belief and be able to interact socially like human. Means, are you getting this thing? Oh my god. The last one is self awareness. It's a future of AI. This machine will be super intelligent and will have its own conscious sentiment and self awareness. This machine can be smarter than human beings. Means it's not so easy. So this was a complete concept behind artificial intelligence, its type, its whole category. Hope you guys understand the concept and enjoy the video. So thank you and bye guys.